Hi guys, it's Beth Painter and I'm back with another video, and I'm going to show you how to create a super intense, bold and punchy look using the Painter's palette, which is my collaboration with Sample Beauty. So if you're interested then please keep on watching. So the first shade I'm going in with is the shade Pumpkin, which is a really intense orange shade. So that's like literally one touch and look how pigmented it is. So I'm just going in with little bits at a time. I like to build up my colours quite slowly because I just find you get a smoother payoff then. So now I'm going in with the shade Gemini, and this is going to blend out that bright orange shade. I'm just going right on the edge of that orange, start buffing it out. I already love this, it's like really fiery, isn't it? So this kind of look is absolutely perfect for beginners in makeup because it's so easy to do but it's really impactful. So if you're only just getting into colour, something like this is absolutely perfect. So I've just stuck my lashes on and now I'm going to move on to the under eye. So the first shade I'm going to go in with again is Pumpkin, and I'm going to put this all the way along my lash line. I'm going to go back into the shade Gemini and I'm going to use that to blend out the orange underneath as well. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. If you want to grab yours, there's links in the description below. Thank you for watching.